Good afternoon, all of you. I am Renisha from Commodities Research. Anagram website commodity page is revamped, and today I am here to explain you how you can get user friendly with it. First of all, click on the commodity section in the right panel. This shows commodity homepage. First, there is commodity perspective, which would be updated on daily basis. This contains outlook and gist on all commodities for the day. Then you can have videos on commodities on the right side. Here all weekly and monthly and yearly views are being spoken by me on this website. Then if you want to see the archives of all these videos, you can click on this video link. Then we have commodity research reports which are published by the research team as a whole, and for looking at the daily report you just have to click the link and the today's daily report would be opened. Similarly, weekly and special reports could also be seen. And finally, on this page we have live commodity news which is segregated into pre, mid and post session. Pre-session is the news coming before 10 a.m. in the morning, and mid-session is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening, and end session is after 5 p.m. Whatever news are there, that would be displayed over here. So next page is commodity analysis. Here in this page you can see the news and analysis of various commodities in the first section. Then we have economic updates. This basically covers the economic data of India, and whatever articles are displayed here are all of Indian economic data. The next most important section is World Economic Calendar. This is the most useful feature for those who look at economic data seriously, and it would be very helpful for them. For this you have to make several changes. Like this economic calendar is shown on the timings of US. First you have to adjust the time zone of India. Clicking on this link, you can select here Indian time, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi. And now, as you know that daylight saving is on, you have to click the DST on. Then you have to click the submit button. So this will show today's world economic data. As you can see here, there are economic data of various currencies like Peru, Switzerland and Euro all. If you are not interested in looking at this data, you can filter those results by clicking here. Suppose you are only interested in looking the data of Eurozone and US, so you can unclick other currencies. So this will remove them and the filter would be applied, and importance level is also could also be changed. Like this, it will show only those very important data. You can unclick this, and if you click on apply, you can only see the US and UK economic data, which are highly important and mediumly important. Further, if you want more filters, you can also apply those filters. So you can see today the most important data is for US, that is non-farm payroll, unemployment rate and Bernanke testifying. If you want to see economic data for other days, you can also change the date range. Today is 7th, like you can see for other days of the week also. Now similarly, you can also click here for previous and next to go to the next page or next date. So use it properly, it would be very helpful for you. Now the most important thing in this is that it gives you explanation of the economic data. If you click on the plus button, This will show you the description of the data, what does that mean and why it is so important. All details are given in this paragraph. And then if you want to see the trend of this economic data, and you can click on the chart. So this will give you the chart of non-farm payrolls, and keeping the mouse over the data point, you can also see the data. So basically you will come to know how this economic data has been performing, and the history also shows this last 6 months actual forecast and previous data of the particular economic data. So this is very important and very useful for all of you. Next is the Anagram Commodity Research in Media. This has articles by research people in commodities which are published in media sources like newspaper, website, magazines, etc. Like this is the first yearly outlook sent by me to resource investors, and they have published it, the similar file which I have sent it to you. So you can see this, whenever there is an research people coming in media, you will able to see here from here. Okay, now we move on to the next page, that is Knowledge Center. This basically page is a tutorial to the commodity users, whether they are fresher in this market or whether they are experienced. There are many terms that are not understood by many people, so we have segregated them into fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading lessons. Fundamental analysis will cover all the fundamental points of the commodities, and that would be explained. Similarly for technicals and trading lessons. Technical analysis is very important for commodity traders, for intraday traders, but they don't understand most of the basic things. So we'll try to put more and more articles over here. On an initial basis, only two reports are displayed, but going forward there would be many articles that would be added over here. So if suppose you want to understand what does overbought and oversold mean, so you can click on the link and you'll get those explanation with the chart. So it would be very easy for you to understand technical analysis. The other navigation points, like all those things, technical chart, get codes, this all are same. This haven't been changed, but if you want I can also explain all these things if you haven't used it. If you want, this is basically the technical chart that displays the commodity. You have to click the exchange which you want, then the symbol, like if you want the gold chart, you can click here gold, and automatically it will show the expiry and chart type whichever you are comfortable with. Suppose I choose candlestick and the period 1 month, this will give me a 1 month gold chart. I can also change it to yearly and click it go, so you will have the trend of the chart, how that commodity has performed. Then is get codes. This section, in this section you can select the exchange and then the commodity, and this will show you the open, high, low, close, and the gist of that commodity and performance chart, how it has been performing today. Then you have advance and declines, like you have in equity, then top gainers and losers in commodity. These things are very simple. Value toppers according to the volume and value size, then the closing prices of commodities, and high and low that commodities has registered for that day. And this is the market watch. This displays international chart of gold, silver, and metals. If many investors cannot have the access to the charts of international commodities, so they can see over here. So this is all for the commodity side. Make most use of this website, as we have made it very user friendly. So look on it. If you have any suggestions, you can revert back to us. This is all from my side. Bye.